Here I've got a revision sheet for a bit of physics about waves, and the bit down here about the wave equation, students often find that difficult, so I'd like to put in here a link to a video on YouTube that will show them how to use the equation. So the first thing I need to do is go and find a video. So here's a video on YouTube that uses the wave equation, and I'd like to make the link to this video. So I need to copy the URL, top, copy, and then I need to go to a website called qrstuff.com. There are lots of these websites, but this is the one I use, and the list here is all the different types of things that you can create QR codes for, and I'm going to do it for a YouTube video. And I've copied the URL so I can paste that in there. That will now make the QR code over here. Now there's a simpler version of the code that I can choose there, and now I can download the QR code. So over here, show in folder, here's the QR code that I've just downloaded, so I can copy that, and now I can go back to my worksheet, and this is where I'd like to put the QR code, so I can paste the code in there. Here's the code. Let's just wrap the text square, so I can now drag that down there, and I can now make that smaller and it'll still work. So there's the QR code in the worksheet that I can now print out and give to the students. Here's my waves revision document again, but this time I don't just want to add one link to this. I've found several resources on the internet, some videos and some web pages that I would like to give students a chance to link to from this document. I could create QR codes for them, but it would soon get very cluttered if I had lots of QR codes on this page with the information that I've already got. So I need an alternative, and the alternative method is to turn this into an augmented reality document using the website layer.com. So what I need to do, here are the resources that I've found. I've got my video, I've got a bite-sized website, another bite-sized web page, and a web page on the S-Cool revision website. So I now need to go to layer.com, so and this is it. So you may not have been here before, so you need to sign up, and you enter your details here, click on I accept and sign up, and you'll be given a choice of a free account that has some adverts on or a paid account, and you're going to choose the free account. Okay, so I'm just going to log in. And here's my home page with some of the documents that I've done before, but the button we're interested in is this one at the top, new campaign. And so my new campaign is going to be waves revision. Leave that in there. It's a magazine. We'll choose global and create campaign. And so we want to upload the page, and what I need to do now is add either a JPEG, a PNG, a PDF or a zip file, and I'm going to choose a PDF because it's a document. So I need to go back to my document and I need to save it as a PDF file. So if I just choose the drop down box there, PDF, and save, just Takes a minute to convert it, and here's my document again, but it's now a PDF file. Okay, so now I can browse for the file. SkyDrive. Waves revision notes, and open. There we go, and upload. Takes a minute to do this bit. And there's the page. So I can click on that and add one selected page. Okay, so this is my document, and down this side here I've got some resources I can use to add things onto the document. So if it's a website, I can drag that on there and position it wherever I'd like it to appear. There it is. And now I can go back here. So the first website, I'm going to do this one, which is bite size wave speed. So I need the URL, copy, and I can put in here bite size wave speed. I can paste the URL in there and choose whatever color you want it to be and apply the changes. There we go, so I can put that wherever I'd like that to appear. So there we go, I'll put it on top of there. And then let's say I want to, here we go, media, I want a video, and so the video I had before, there we are, so video URL, so I need to go back there and copy that and paste it in there and apply. So I think that will be okay down there, and I've also got some other web pages to put on, so I can go back to the basic bit and add another website. Let's just do the SCool one. So copy that, paste that bit in there, and we can say s-cool waves, apply. Okay, so those are the resources. I can add as many as I like on there, and I can now save the page. I can now go back to my campaign overview, and here it is, and the last step I need to do is to publish the page. This is where I get the free one. Here we go, publishing, campaign published. Okay, so now you can print out a copy of the document, scan it with the Layer app on the iPad or on your phone just to check that it works.